Show me love, don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me love so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body.
What's up guys, your boy is back. It's Laxi, and for today's video is andito tayo ngayon sa, it's not NAIA, it's Clark International Airport here in Pampanga. Kasi nga, syempre pag nag-vlog tayo, ibig sabihin may gala na naman tayo. And for today, we're going to El Nido, Palawan. Yes, tama yung narinig nyo. We're going to El Nido, Palawan. And right now, naka-base na yung Cebu Pacific El Nido flight dito sa Clark International Airport. So here I am. Dumayo pa talaga tayo. So right now, I'm waiting for my check-in para we go inside na. And also, bago tayo magsimula, gusto ko rin libutin tong Clark International Airport. Guys, sobrang tahimik dito. Super like, it's not very crowded unlike NAIA. So, yeah, I'll keep you updated. Okay, let's do a quick fit check. And by the way guys, you see it right, ako lang ulit mag-isa kasi walang maaya. So, I go alone.
What the dog doing?
What's up guys, so we're checked in, we got our boarding pass Clark to El Nido, and yeah, we're here at their boarding gate. It's so vast, like super lawak, like super hindi crowded. This is the future of international hotel airport supposed. What's up guys, so I'm here in the reservation right now. Here at El Nido, this is the beach house. And look guys, look, like literally look. What's up guys, so we're here in the accommodation now. It's beach house, and just like what I showed you earlier, that's the view of my accommodation, lie right in front of the beach. It's so nice. It's overwhelming. Actually, oh fuck, sabi ko ganda. So right now, I'm in my accommodation. Again, we're in a hostel with 6 roommates, full foreigners, so yeah, let's get it. And right now, I'm unpacking, and we're going for a inland tour agad-agad kasi walang sinasayang na oras. I'm just here for 3 days and 2 nights, so let's get it agad because time here is running. So yeah, we gotta go. So I just unpacked my things. These are my outfits for the rest of 3 days. Yeah, and that's it. And also I got this from Shopee, so I have my own stand. You know, I don't have somebody here to film me, that's why. And this is my room, guys. It's cozy, it's cool, and yeah. And by the way, this is the what do you call this, the full button mirror. Yeah, I thought I was in a room, guys, because all of the tenants here are like this. So I asked them, am I in a room? But they told me I'm not. It's a mixed room. So let's get to it. Let's go. And lead, here we come. Okay, so we're here at first destination, Angkla. It took 30 minutes to drive here, so this is the first outfit of the day. Yeah, look guys, it complements the view. Angkla. So we're here to spend the afternoon and eat kasi nagugutom na ako, diba? This is beach. Like this is tangin, napaka-fine ng sand. Look, the sand is so fine. That's it, so init. Like fuck. And look at this island, guys. It's so cool and amazing. By the way, that's Angkla. That's so good. This is a beach. Napaka-init. Aray! Long time no see. Like dagat. Hala, ang ganda. Sana malalim to. Okay. This is the vacation of the year. Ay, nag-vacation lang. This is the vacation of the month. Yan. I'm so happy na talaga. Thank you, Lord. Okay, so we're done with Angkla. We're going next to Las Cabanas and Leo Beach. And by the way guys, I rented again a motorcycle. So yeah, your motorcycle is your best buddy in the island here.
What the dog doing?
Okay, next destination is the Leo Beach here in Leo El Nido. So exclusive yun sa Ayala. That's why private airport lang siya. Cebu Pacific lang tsaka El Nido yung pwedeng magland dito kasi they have their partnership. By the way, this is the Leo Port. Yeah, and then that's the Leo Airport there. Basta. Last destination natin ay Las Cabanas. Mas maganda the sunset doon. So yeah. the fight. Okay, so we're here at Vanilla Beach. Famous din to, sikat din to. And after this, we're going to Las Cabanas. Actually, para siyang mall area dito. Like, establishments all around. Tapos yung mga establishment na nakikita natin sa mall, actually may McDo dito eh. Look. Okay, we're here at Las Cabanas. Isa rin sa pinapangarap kong puntahan na abang magkakape habang nanonood ng sunset. But sadly, they don't have a coffee. So, I need to find some coffee and watch the sunset. I'm going right now to Maramigmig Beach. And balik ulit sa Vanilla. Pero ang daming tao sa Vanilla, nakaka-social anxiety. Lalo na't mag-isa lang ako, diba? Let's go. So yeah, I got my coffee from Lazy Amo Cafe and drinking while watching the beautiful sunset here at Vanilla Beach. After a long day, I deserve this. Okay, it's night at mga tao dito ay buhay. So let's search the area. By the way, I'm staying in El Nido town, mismong town. So super lapit ko sa kanilang lahat. Cool. Diba ito yung sinatingan ng incognito? Good morning from the beautiful island of El Nido, Palawan. So today is my second day, and before I recorded this video, nag-walk lang ako from this El Nido Beach. I'm here in El Nido town, dito sa El Nido Beach. So yeah, nag-walk lang ako from there to there, and I find the beach so mystical, magical. Basta today is day 2. I'm going on island tour and I'm choosing tour A. So dadalhin ko kayo guys, ipapasyal ko kayo kung ano yung nga ba yung mga islands na kasama sa tour A. And right now I'm still in awe, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na I'm here in El Nido doing it solo. So yeah, and I'm going back to my hotel. Now, by the way, my hotel is just beachfront din dito sa El Nido. So if you want to book it guys, I can link it down below or you can comment in the comment section. And yeah, so far my experience is I still can't believe I'm here, like literally. So yeah, join me walk in this beach. Let's go. What's up guys? So for today's video is actually you're seeing the beautiful El Nido Island, basta islands sa likod. And today is day 2 and we're going on a island tour. And right now this is my outfit, this is the look. And later we'll go downstairs para proceed na sa port para let's do it. By the way guys, I'm in beach house, so yeah. This is paradise. Okay, let's start the tour. Let's go. Okay, what's up guys? We're on a boat now. And guess what? Lahat ng kasama ko sa tour, ako lang yung Pinoy. Ako lang din yung mag-isa. I'm so sad. But yeah, I'll just make this island tour memorable and happy one. Ako pa ba naman? Napaka-bubbly kong tao, diba? Tingnan natin. Okay, let's go.
To the amazing El Nido Paradise and Island. So, welcome to our travel agency, Maya Travel and Tours and Summer Call. Okay.
Okay, first stop, 7 Commando Beach. Sobrang ganda niya, as in, ang ganda ng mga coconut trees. And also the beach. Grabe, ang ganda. Apakalinaw ng tubig guys, promise. Like super legit na linaw, na pinakamalinaw na tubig na nakita ko. Yeah, we're here for our first stop and after an hour lilipat na agad. So I'll just roam around and take a pic. Let's go. second location, Secret Lagoon. Diyan ata pumapasok. So, let's go. Wait, ang ganda. Tangina talaga. Ang ganda. Okay, we're gonna go inside that way. Okay. Dito pa rin papasok. Astig. Ang cool. So this is the Secret Lagoon. Aray ko. Wow. Okay, so here we are at Secret Lagoon. Hindi na siya secret kasi napunta na siya. Diba? Okay, we're here at Shimizu Island. Dito tayo magla-lunch. At sobrang crowded ngayon na parang now. Okay, tapos na kaming kumain. At guess what? Nilakihan ko talaga yung pinain ko. Kasi bayad ko yung 2K na tour na to. Kaya ito, busog ako. Kasi mamaya after nito, ang tawag doon, magbibiglago na kami, magkakayak. So paguran na naman yun after that, snorkeling. So paguran talaga. Kaya nilakihan ko na yung kain ko. 2,000 to. Yeah, so see you in a big lagoon in a bit. Okay. Okay, last destination, Twin Lake Lagoon. Mag-snorkeling tayo and after that, yeah, we're going home. So let's see kung may makita tayong mga corals and fishes around. Yeah, let's swim. Let's go, guys. Okay, it's day 3 and for today, ang gagawin lang natin ay maliligo lang ako sa beach for about 2 hours kasi later na yung flight ko. So, isang oras lang maliligo. And then after that, flight na ulit. Pauwi. Ayoko pang umuwi. Pero, yeah. By the way, this is the fit for today. Yeah, so we're gonna swim here, and there, and everywhere. So let's go. Good evening. Akala nyo tapos na yung vlog, no? Hindi pa. Kasi nga may mga sudden turn of events. Alam nyo kung ano yun? Guess what? Look. Okay, so we're here in Puerto Princesa International Airport na hindi naman dapat yung airport na pupuntahan ko para umuwi ng Manila or going back to Clark. So my flight was canceled kanina, yung El Nido to Clark. Tapos after that nag-transfer ako dito and it took 5 hours na trip. So dito na yung flight ko. And guess what guys? Hindi pa tapos. 2 hours tong delay. So 5 hours na land trip and then 2 hours na pag-aantay ulit. Pero ngayon directly na siya going to Manila, unlike kanina na going to Clark pa. Little bit good, little bit not good. And by the way guys, gusto ko lang din magpasalamat kay Lord for sending me most needed help in the times I needed it the most. Kasi kanina, you know, going here is kinda costly. So, kasi pag sumabay ako sa mga taong mabubuting mga kalooban. And guess what? They offered a free ride for me going here in Puerto Princesa. They even offer me snacks and something to eat. Kaya alam mo yun, dun mo marirealize na God always provide and He will send nice person just to help you. Dun ko na-appreciate na kahit may nangyaring ganun, may mga mabubuting tao pa rin at the end of the day. So thank you Lord, thank you po kay Martha, Fernando, tsaka si Avignus ata yun, na tinulungan ako para makapunta dito. I was so touched by their gestures. They're so nice, they're so kind. 2 foreigner tsaka 1 Pilipino. Thank you Lord.